Gates open, they're up and racing the favorite Tebaxi, slow out at the start. Heading towards the 1,000-meter mark, we have Sailing Away in command, followed by Sophia's Fury on the outside. Then running by the rail, Dr. Choice. Racing in fourth is Strong Boy. Then on the outside, Lady Diamond. Then next in line, Ilocos Pride, Gold Asian, make no mistake. While Tebaxi, the favorite, is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600, Dr. Choice, and regaining the lead from the outside is Sailing Away. Then in between runners is Strong Boy, Lady Diamond, moving up on the outside as they race to the last 450. 3 runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Sailing Away is Strong Boy in between runners. Lady Diamond moving up on the outside is Strong Boy. Sailing Away, Lady Diamond. Sailing Away is Strong Boy, Lady Diamond. But now we have a Strong Boy and Sailing Away going to wire. It's now Strong Boy leading the field over Sailing Away. And finally, Strong Boy Sailing Away close. Between Ilocos Pride and Lady Diamond, then comes Tebaxi for your Pentapecta.